Sound Ideas is on location in Haliburton, Ontario, recording explosions. A series of explosive charges will be used to turn this solid rock wall into gravel. Workers begin by clearing water from the more than 100 holes that have been pre-drilled to hold the explosives. Next, they place the initial charge into the hole, attached to a long fuse. They then set the main charge on top of the previous one. Finally, they pack in a third layer of explosive material to fill the rest of the cavity. And when the all clear is given, the explosion begins. Because Sound Ideas goes to extremes to get the sounds we need.